cannot believe I'm saying this. When I tell you guys, I used to save up all my money to go to Ulta and get this Hoola bronzer. Now I have a collaboration with them. So these are basically a gift you get with your purchase. These are so cute, and I like that they're huge so they keep my hair back. Like the other ones kind of fall forward sometimes. The only way to get these is if you spend $60 at Ulta on benefit products. I have the 5 makeup products here that I use in my makeup routine every day. First is the Hoola bronzer. This is just like a staple bronzer. Like, you know her, she's an icon. This highlighter, I have had this thing, I think for like a year or two, and I literally have a hole in it, but like, look how much is left. This is how I fake having like a cute little tiny button nose. You just put it there and it is like the perfect amount of shine. I also love to put it in like the corner of my eyes or under my eyebrows. It is just beautiful. For brows, I always use the 24-hour brow setter. So I gel my brows first and then I fill them in. I don't know why, but I just feel like I like that better. Then I use their brow pencil. It's called the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I do like little flicks of hair. It's tiny enough so that you can like fill in the hair without it looking too like big and clunky. And the final product is their Roller Lash Mascara. I have a 2-step combo for my mascara, and I always have the Roller Lash. This is the mascara I use more for like length and like having like clean looking lashes. I cannot believe this though. Like if you go into Ulta, there's gonna be little pictures of me holding this like I'm gonna cry. I haven't like gone into the store and seen it yet, but when I go, I'm gonna bawl my eyes out. I know that everyone has different preferences on what they like, so you can spend $60 on any product. It doesn't have to be one of these 5. And then you get the bag and the little clips. This is the cutest little